Hi, I'm Shelley Orr, a librarian with the Catawba County Library System. This video will show you how to use Hoopla, a free app that will give you access to free ebooks, audiobooks, movies, and much more. I love using this app because what you see is what you get. There are no waiting periods. So let's get started.
First thing that you'll need to do is go to your app store and search for Hoopla and then install the app on your device. It's a free download, and if you're on a laptop, you can just go to hoopladigital.com. Once it's installed, tap on Open, and the app will open up. For new users, you're going to tap on Sign Up. And to sign up, you'll need a couple of things. You'll need an email address, your library card number, and your PIN. So I'm going to tap on Sign Up, and we'll go through that process. You'll need to type in your email address twice. And then you'll need a password that's at least 8 characters long, and you'll type that in twice as well. Then you tap Next. And it'll ask you which library you're from, and I'm going to let it access my location, or you can do that manually. I'm going to select the Catawba County Library and tap Next. And then I'm going to put my library card number in, and it starts with 9301. And my library PIN number. All right, it says success. That's great. And we have audiobooks, movies, music, comics, TV shows, and lots of ebooks. So I'm going to tap Let's Go, and we'll browse and see what's there. So at the top, you'll see that there are audiobooks and movies. You can select any of those categories. And I'm going to select audiobooks just so we can browse and see what's there. I'll tap audiobooks. And there are different tabs at the top in blue. It says genres, popular, recommended, features, etc. Or I can just scroll around and look and see what's there. So I love this app because what you see is what you can check out. So you don't have to wait for somebody to return anything. There are no waits on anything. What you see is what you get. So I'm going to tap on this book called Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell. I'm going to tap that. I can scroll down and it gives me more information about the book so I can make sure that I want to check it out. I can search by author by tapping on the author's name. Since this is an audiobook, it tells me the narrator there, and it gives me reviews and also read-alikes down at the bottom, which is great. I can favorite this so I can come back to it later. I can share it to social media if I want to do that. But I'm going to borrow the title so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to tap on Borrow. And it says this title is available for 21 days. Each of the different types of things that you can check out has a different loan period. The ebooks and audiobooks are available for 21 days. Music's available for 7 days, and the videos, the movies, and the TV shows, those are available for 3 days. So I'm going to tap Borrow Title. And you can listen to it or watch your program or read your book over Wi-Fi, but I always suggest tap here to download. So I'm going to tap here to download. And I'm going to let it download on my device. They don't take up a lot of room, and the best thing about it is once it's returned, the return date is May 18th, it will delete from my device. I can also return it early if I want to do that. But it's just going to start downloading. Once it's finished downloading, I can click on play and I can listen to my audiobook. It's great stuff. If you're like me and a little slow at listening to your audiobooks, you can check the item out again and Hoopla will remember where you left off.
So those are the basics of Hoopla. As always, let us know if you have any questions. We're always happy to help.